Hello guys, welcome back. In this session, we are going to discuss about counts plot and the significance of counts plot. So to write the code for the counts plot, we are going to follow the same pattern which we have been following from the last two sessions. And the pattern is same where we have 5 steps. In the first step, we are initializing our global setting. In the second step, we are importing data set. In the third step, we are preparing our data. In the fourth step, we are drawing the plot. And fifth step is also part of the fourth step where we are decorating the plot with the right levels. So to make our work easy, what I did, I have copied the first step and kept the same global setting which we are using. Now let's proceed to the second step, and this time also I am going to use the same data set which we have used in our last session. So let me import that. So select this cell, press B, and the data frame we are going to create, we will tell that pd.read_csv, read_csv, and within that I am going to paste the same URL which we have grabbed earlier, and this is the same URL. I will show you again. So this is the same URL. We are using the same data set, that is mpg.csv. So now let's proceed further. So now let's load this data set, shift enter. So now we have loaded the data into the memory. Now next, let's prepare the data for plotting. But prior to that, let's understand what we are going to analyze. So for that, I'm going to load the data set into the Jupyter notebook. So over here, you will find that we have two categories of information for the fuel consumption, the city wise and the highway wise. And here we are performing very simple analysis. We are just identifying if the number 18 is there, then we will get the count for city as well as highway, and that we will represent through the count plot. So let's proceed further and prepare our data set for plotting. So I'm going to do the group by operation over here on highway as well as city. So let's do it. Select this cell, press B, and here I am going to create another data frame which will contain the counts. And here I am going to tell that df group by, and this time I'm going to use highway data as well as the city information. So here I will tell that city. Now I will get the size and I will also reset the index. So I will tell reset index, and here I will specify name equal to counts. Let's print the data set. What kind of information it is printing? Let's look into that. Shift enter. We got error over here. Make sure that you are specifying within the quotes. Shift enter. Then you will find that it has returned the count of values. Now the next step, we need to plot this data frame into the plot. So to plot this count, we need to use a kind of a plot that is called a stripe plot. But prior to that, we need to specify the size of the plot. So let's do it. Select this cell, press B, and first we need to specify the figure size and the axis. And this time I am going to tell that plot subplots, and here I will specify fixed size equal to, and here you need to specify the tuple for height and width, and dpi it is going to be 80. Once it is being done, then I'm going to create a stripe plot of seaborne. So write sns dot stripe plot, and here I'm going to specify the x-axis. For the x-axis I'm going to use city, counts dot city, and for the y-axis I'm going to use the highway. So I will tell that counts dot highway, and there is a size we need to specify. We will tell that size equal to df underscore counts dot counts multiplied by 2. So it will look little beautiful, and here we need to specify the axis. Once it is being done, next we need to decorate it. For this time there is nothing much in the decoration, so we will just provide the title over here. So plot title, and we will tell that counts plot, and copy this one and paste it over here, and now do shift enter, and then you will find that it has given us this beautiful graph for the count of fuel consumption on highway as well as city. So here the bigger circle represent that many values falling into this range. So this is about the count plot which I wanted to demonstrate you in this session. So in the next session we are going to look into marginal box plot. So on this note I am stopping over here. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye, take care.